Alright, y'all, so today we're making a holiday favorite of mine. I love it in the winter. Well, really, I love it any time of the year, but it's mostly known in the holidays and in winter. And that's peanut brittle. And it's so simple to make. It really is. For this, we have some raw peanuts, which you can get. You can find raw peanuts in your produce section of most stores. We have a little bit of butter. We have some vanilla extract. We have some corn syrup. We have some baking soda. And we have some sugar. This is so simple. So simple. But before we get to cooking, we are on the road to 500 subscribers. So if you want to learn a new recipe every week, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and let's get to cooking. Alright, so in a large saucepan, we're either going to take 2 cups of sugar and 1 cup of our corn syrup. So on a medium-high heat, stirring quite regularly, we are going to dissolve our sugar and our corn syrup together. Alright, so once it starts to liquefy, we're going to go ahead and continue stirring quite regularly so the sugar doesn't burn. And then we're going to bring this up to about 290, which is a soft crack stage. At that point, we're going to start adding some other stuff in, so I'll bring you back. Alright, y'all, so we've reached 290. You can see our sugar starting to change that golden color. We're going to add in all of our raw peanuts. We're just going to go ahead and get these stirred in. Now we're also going to add in a tablespoon of butter. Now you could do a little less peanuts if you like. I wouldn't do any more. We're also going to add in 2 teaspoons of baking soda. We're going to get that well mixed in. Then we're also going to add in a teaspoon of vanilla. We're going to go ahead and get that all mixed in. And now we're going to shut off the heat because we're getting that golden brown color, which means our sugar is hard. That means it's to that hardtack stage. You could also measure it if you really want, and it should be about 300 to 310. But we're going to go ahead, remove this from heat. Now I have a cookie sheet here that I have pre-greased. No matter how you grease it, you want to make sure you use non-stick spray, or if you use Crisco, you want to make sure you do it quite well so none of this candy sticks. Now we're just going to go ahead and spread this out to however thick that you want your peanut brittle to be. And now we're going to let this cool at a room temperature, well, for a while. I let it sit overnight, so I actually don't know how long it'll take to cool, because I'll let mine sit overnight. That way it's 100% cooled and set up, and I'll bring you back in the morning. Alright, y'all. So I have my peanut brittle broken up into have it broken up into pieces like yay. Various sizes, none of them the same. I broke them all by hand. Now, I thought about showing this on video. My cookie sheet, I just, kind of gave it just a slight twist, and it didn't take any pressure at all. And the brittle, that peanut brittle, it popped right off of it. Easiest way to do it. Then I left this piece of peanut brittle big, just to show you how easy this breaks up. As it runs away from me. So it's that simple. I don't know how more simple this could get when it comes to making candy. But if you like this video, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button down below. There's a video here that YouTube thinks you should watch, and until next time, keep on cooking on.